Teresa Renee. If you have not been with your girl for a while, thank you for stopping by. And if you have been with me for a while, then thank you for stopping by. So today we have a Fashom box. It's been a minute since I've used Fashom. I decided to give them another try because I was like, you know, the season is changing. Let's see what they have. I will tell you that as for camo, olive green, and girl, she delivered. She hooked your girl up because if you don't know, like in the fall, winter months, I create a capsule most of the time because I don't want to have to really think about what to wear. I started doing this like a few years ago, and so I figured what. Hi Zoe. So I do have a visitor. I have Zoe with me today. So she may be in and out the shot. So please excuse her if you heard her little voice, right, Zoe? She said right. But so Fashom is a subscription styling service, and it's not monthly or anything like that. Whenever you feel like that you want a box, all you have to do is request a box. You get $10 off. If you use my link below, I'll get $10 off as well. Occasionally they'll do a little special where you might get a little bit more or something like that. I usually post that in my community tab, so always check my community tab to see if it's anything there, because if I get any special codes for any of the subscription services that I use, I always put them there so that you all can use them. Sometimes it's a first come first serve basis, so you really want to be checking that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscription button so that you'll know whenever I post like special links and stuff. So what Fashom does is that Fashom actually they actually select 5 items for you. They send you an email and say, hey, we selected these items for you. But first of all, you could go on and you can take a survey, and I see, good. You can take a survey and select items that, you know, you like, what you're looking for. You put in your sizes and things like that, and they go and curate a box for you. You also can tell them what you're looking for. One thing I do love about styling services is the fact that I don't see everybody in the items that I select and that I wear every day. Like if I go to a cookout or I go to a family gathering or whatever, I don't have to worry about walking up and somebody has on what I have on. And I love that because I'm unique. You know what I'm saying? So I think that a lot of times these services actually help you to be unique. Zoe, absolutely not. Get down. So I will tell you, so you already know up front, you can set your prices to be, you know, in the price ranges that you feel comfortable with. Send you an email. If you don't like the first 5, you can say send me more. And a lot of times it's not that I don't like the first 5, I just want to see more because I want to see what it is that they're working with. So a lot of times I'll ask for more selections and they send me more selections, then I choose out of those what I like to get. Let's see, you can return it free of charge, so there's no problem with you return it. You get this bag, you just, you know, send it back. And I'm just taking the time because it's been a while since I've done a Fashom box to let you know what, you know, this service is about. And you have 3 days to decide what you want. If you buy 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off. If you buy all 5 items, you get 30% off. I love that, right? And I do want to tell you that for each box sent, Fashom donates $1 for Second Chance Rescue NYC dogs. I think that's great, right? And also there's a $15 styling service. But let's get into the box, girl. That's enough, right? So did I say that I'm a little under the weather? So if I don't see my perky upbeat self, then y'all excuse me because I got something going on in my head, okay? My sinuses, I'm just not really feeling all there. So without further ado, let me show you what I selected, girl. Look at the colors. And I wanted, these are my colors for the season. Gold, olive green, camo, like the camouflage, leopard print, black, burgundy. Those are basically, so what I do is like select a few colors and I just only buy, or you know, you get things in those colors, that color scheme that will go with what I'm rocking for the fall winter months, if I could talk. So the first thing we have here is this olive green shirt that and let me see who this is by. This is by Chris and Carol, and Now, I was really excited when I saw this because I am a camo girl. My niece laughed at me. She was like, what is up with you and camo? I'm like, girl, I don't know. For the last few years, that's just been my thing. I love camo. But this is kind of odd, but I thought it was cute because it's different. So it has a, I don't know, it's like a well put together rip at the elbow. So we'll see what that's all about. So this is the front. This is from Paper Moon. So I liked it on the model. We'll see what it looks like on your girl, okay? Now I have this gold shirt that I really love, the color of gold. I think it looks great on my skin. Don't you think it looks great on my skin, girl? Yes. So it has a little, has this little design here in the front, and you'll see when I try it on, just a long sleeve. So I really want to get fall ready, okay? I want to be ready for the fall, even though it's still 90 degrees here in North Carolina. I am just ushering in the fall. I'm getting my mind prepared. I'm getting my mind right for it anyway, right? Here is another camo. Girl, I can't get enough camo, so this was great. Here's another camo shirt, and I love the look of this. I kind of like my tops to fit big sometimes. It depends on the top though. So we'll see what's going on with it. And next up we have these olive green pants that are just, wow. These are the original Premier Point 151. It says 151.
I said hi, Mommy.
Great, good. Olive Ponte knit. Is that Ponte knit? Pants. Oh, they feel really, really nice though. Oh, they feel really nice. We'll see how they look on. I'm not normally a fan of Ponte knit, but we'll see. We'll see how they look. So let's get to trying this stuff on, okay? This top I love. I have on a bralette, so it's not gonna really float the best. I probably could downsize. However, I like this top. I feel like I could really wear this top to a ball game on a Saturday morning. I could wear it with a pair of leggings, and I don't have to feel like I'm constricted to the top. So I do like this top a lot. I feel like I could throw on a pair of leggings, a pair of jeans, and be just fine with this top. I love the sleeves, the length of the sleeves on it, cut off right here, but I love that. And it's just a really comfortable, cute top. Now, let's talk about the pants. I am not a Ponte knit type of girl. I just never have been. I don't know. I just don't like Ponte knit for the most part. So, like I said, they are very, very comfortable. They're very long. I feel like they're almost too long, and they are too big because I have a lot of room in these pants. So, but because I don't like Ponte knit, I don't know that I would downsize because I'm not a Ponte knit kind of girl. But these pants, the quality on them are great, and they feel really, really nice. They're just too big for me. I love the cutout here. It's a very, very comfortable top, and I could actually like put it into my pant like that if I wanted to. I think they would look cute with some jeans. They look dynamite with these pants. I just don't like the pants, but I think it's long in the back, and it's a really comfortable. It feels really soft and comfortable. And I really do like this little detail on it. Okay, so now we have on the shirt with the elbows. So I love this shirt. I do. I feel like it's very comfortable. The elbow's missing. It's just different. I don't know. I don't know. It's different. It's different, but it's just different, you know. But I do like it. Okay, so we have on the last green knit top. I like this top. I do. I think it flows very nicely, very, very nicely. So here it is from behind. Okay, honey, so let's talk turkey, okay? Or shall I say prices, okay? So Morgan is my stylist, and I feel like Morgan did a much better job this time than she did the rest of the times that I got my box. Because let me tell you, okay, let's talk about the shirts and the prices, this and that. Okay, so where are we gonna start with? With the emerald camo army sleeve raglan tunic top. I love this top. And let me tell you why. These tops are tops that you can wear with leggings or you can wear with a pair of jeans. They are so versatile, and I feel like I could wear it with different things. And I got that little, you know, the room in the front, whereas if I get full, grab it and went out to eat or something, I get full and I'm fine. This is $36. And let me tell you, you know, you might say, well, those are basic tops. You can get those anywhere. I like the quality much better on these tops. And I told y'all some time ago that I am looking for a little bit better quality. So yeah, I could probably get these tops for $10, but I don't personally think that they would feel or fit me like that, you know, like that does. So that's $36. I love you. Mama, love you.
Love you too, Mommy.
So the Chris and Carol 3/4 solid top in green olive. This one is $36. Same thing with this. I just like the way it flows. I do like the quality a little bit better. They are thinner shirts, but for me that's great because your girl get hot, and I just don't like really thick, heavy sweaters and tops. I just don't. That's $36. The Paper Moon Tyler camo cutout sleeve top is $37. This is just like a different top altogether. I do like it because it's unique, and I haven't seen a shirt with a elbow cutout like that. You know, I'm sure they exist, I just haven't seen it. The 143 story knit top is $38. I love the way that this feels. All these tops, I like that they have like a little bit of swing in the front, you know, around the midsection, because I do have a little pooch. I ain't gonna, you know, you see it, it ain't that serious. So I just feel comfortable. They really made me feel comfortable in these shirts. And I feel like they would just look great with jeans, like I said, with leggings and things like that. What I have next is the 151 jeans, basic ponte knit pants. These are $58. While I don't love these, they feel amazing. So I may actually downsize to a 14 in these. They're just too big. They're just too big. I find with ponte knit sometimes I have such of a hard time finding my size that I just don't fool with them. So, and they're not one of my favorite pants because they never fit me right. But I like the fact that these do zip up. And for $58, I don't know, we'll see. So let me tell you. So if I keep 3 or 4 pieces, I get 25% discount. If I keep all 5, I get 30% discount. So what it boils down to is that I know I'm keeping the tops. I love those tops, okay? So if I keep those 4 tops, I'll get 25% off. And I would have to do the math. If I keep all of them, I'll get 30% off. And the 30% off is $61.50. So I could send the pants back, downsize to the 14, and then save $61.50. And I also have a $50 credit from some people signing up as well. So if I take $50 off of that, I'll pay like $70-some for this whole box. So I think that it's definitely worth probably sending the pants back, getting a smaller size, and just keeping the whole box. What do y'all think? I mean, I really am pleased with these tops. I know, you know, I'm pleased with them because they fit exactly what I've been looking for the fall, with the color, the style, and things like that. Because I have a few grandsons that are playing sports this year. And then I told you, I don't know if you're a regular of mine, you know I have been ripping and running all summer long with grandkids. So sometimes I just need something that'll just fit me comfortably, that I could just rip and run in, don't have to worry about, you know, it being too tight, it hugging me in places I don't want to show today because I'm a little bit more bloated today or what have you. So These fit perfect for me. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Girl, I know Zoba be in and out this whole video, but hey, I told y'all she was here. I told y'all she would be making an appearance here and there. So I'm sorry about that. But so if you want to check out Fashom, my link is in the description bar below. Like I said, you can save $10. I get $10, and that's it. And you, girl, you giving $1 towards the New York City dogs. So, like, I mean, hey, that's a no-brainer, right? So thanks so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscription button, hang out with your girl, and I will holler back to you in the next video. Let me go get Zoba, see what she got going on, because she is just all over the place right now. Bye. Are you going to say bye, Zoba? So she wants to say bye. Say bye. She's been eating chocolate. Some of you had some chocolate. Are you going to talk? She has been trying to get this moment for the last 2 videos, and now she's mute. Are you going to talk? Say hi. Say it. Use your words. Say hello with your mouth. Say hello. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Y'all, she is a chatterbug. Zoe talks extremely well all the time. But when you put her on the phone or in front of the camera, she gets mute. Anyway, we're going to holler back at y'all later. Bye, girl.